Hi all. So in the last lecture we have seen some of the examples of NFA. Okay. So now let's see. You might get question that which one is more powerful, either NFA or DFA. See, this is DFA. Okay. Let me minimize the. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you might think which one is more powerful, NFA or DFA. Actually, these are equivalent in power. Okay. How can we say these are equivalent? Either see, if NFA can be represented as DFA or and and DFA can also be represented as NFA, then we can say both. Every NFA can be converted to an DFA and every DFA can be converted to NFA. Then we can say that they are equivalent in power. Okay. Now see, we have already seen that every DFA is NFA. How? By the transition function, we have already watched it. See what was there. On seeing any on I am on state Q, on seeing any input alphabet, I can move to other state Q. Whereas in NFA, what was there? On I am on state Q, upon seeing any input alphabet, I can move on to power set of the queue. It means this is already present in this. Okay, that is why I can say that every DFA is NFA. Okay, now so what is remaining? This part we have done. The remaining part is NFA to DFA. If somehow we could prove that every NFA can be converted to equivalent DFA, then we can say that both are equivalent in power. Okay. So let's see the NFA to DFA conversion. That is why we are going to study the NFA DFA conversion. Okay, let's see example number 1. Let's suppose I want to draw. Let's suppose I take, or just draw the, let's see the simple example first. Let's draw the NFA for the string. All the strings start with A and the input alphabet is same here, that is A comma B. Okay, so what will be the NFA here? NFA will be starting with A. See, I am on state A. If I found starting with A and then I don't care whatever occurs after, I'll just accept it, but it should always be starting with A. Got it? This is the DFA. Sorry, this is the NFA. Okay, for it. Now, if I draw the DFA for it, what will happen? String is starting with A. So this is finite or infinite? Infinite number of strings can come here. Okay, so that is why what I'll do, I'll just do the draw the skeleton of minimum possible string present in it. Minimum possible string can be A. Okay, so just accept it. Okay, this is state B, state A, state B. Now that is starting with A. After that what happens, I don't care. But if the string starts with B, I cannot start with B because the constraint is itself is starting with A. So what we used to do is we used to the dead state, which will take care of all the strings which will be starting with B. Okay, so now this is the DFA for same language and this is the NFA for it. Okay, now let's see how we'll be doing the conversion. See, we'll study one of the method that is called as the subset construction method. Okay, we'll study this for conversion of NFA to DFA. Okay, see, this is the NFA for all the strings or for the language which contain all the strings that going to starts with A. Now let's draw the equivalent state transition table. Don't worry, you'll get to know each and everything. Just follow this state transition table. What it is, state transition table means, see how we draw it. All the states will come here in the column. Okay, so how many states are present here? See, what we are going to do is we will take this NFA and we'll convert to this DFA by the help of subset construction method, okay, which we are going to do. So for that purpose only I am going to draw the state transition table. Okay, now see what all the states are there. Capital A and capital B. Capital A is the initial state, capital B is the final state. Okay, now input symbols are A and B. Okay, now I am on state A. On seeing input alphabet A, where I move, where I am going, I am on A. On seeing small a, I am moving to state B. That is why I write here as state B. Okay, now I am on, now fill all the details like this only. On A, on seeing input alphabet small b, the state where I am moving, that will be written over here. Okay, so I am on A. On seeing small b, is it here? No, not present. So 5 will come here. Okay, I am going, no move is defined here. Okay, see, now I am on, so the row is completed for state number A. Now I move on to the next row, that is capital B. So let's check it now. I am on is capital state B, and on small a I remain at B. Now on state, sorry, now I am on B. I have to read the small b. On small b, again I will remain at capital B. So this is called as the state transition table. Okay, now watch it. See, we will convert this state transition table to DFA transition table. We will make from this table to DFA table, and then we will draw the this DFA. So this is the process which we will be doing. Okay, now watch it. A, B. Now I have initial state capital A. Now on capital A, upon seeing the input symbol A, for capital A on small a, what we have, I am moving to capital B. Yeah, on capital A, on seeing the input small b, what is going on here? See, this is phi here. It means, see, in NFA it is called as the dead configuration. Note it down. Dead configuration. Okay. In DFA, that configuration is not present. See, in DFA, what is here? This is the dead state. Okay. So whenever I encounter any dead configuration in the table of NFA, we'll change it to a new state. Got it? So I make it a new state as capital C. Got it? C now. Okay, now see, yeah, now this row is completed. Now take the capital B. I am on capital B. on A, now look at this table. On A, I am on B. On B also I am on B. So just write. Now take the capital C. I have to show all the, see, for each and every state, I have to show the transitions for all the input symbols. That is what happens actually in DFA. So that is why I am taking this capital C, and you can say that, sir, this is not present in this. Yeah. So that is why what we will do, on small a, I remain on that state. On small b also, I'll remain on that state. Now you can see, if I this is called as the, this state is C. Now you can watch it. This is the actual DFA. From this you can easily draw the DFA. Total states are there 3, A, B and C, and for each transition, for each input symbol, we have the transition here. So this is the equivalent DFA for this NFA. I think you would have got some idea. Okay, now let's see another example. You will get good idea. Now you will understand much more clear. So example number 2. Okay, let's see strings end with A, and input alphabet is simply A comma B, ending with A. So what will be the NFA? Ending with A, we have already seen it, C. Ending with A, in start, whatever occurs, I don't care, but it should end always with A and I'll accept it. Got it? This is A and this state is B. Okay, this is the NFA. Now what we will do, we'll draw the state transition table. For this, so what we are doing, see, all the input alphabets A and B are there. Okay, states capital A, capital B. A is the initial state and B is the final state. See, one more thing, you might think that, sir, what will be the final state here? See, earlier what was the final state? B was the final state. So in this also B will be the final state. Okay, now see, yes, I am on capital A. On seeing input alphabet small a, I remain at capital A. Okay, and also on seeing small a, I am moving to B. Okay, so more than one, at more than one state I am going. So that is why I have put all these in curly braces, because I have moved to more than one states. Okay, so I am on capital A. On seeing input small b, what is happening? I remain at capital A. Okay, now come to B part. A part is done. Now come to state number B. I am state B and I have no move, or no move is there. So on small a also I have not shown anything. On small b also I have not shown anything. So what I'll do, I just simply put empty here. Or I can also write like this also. Okay, so from this table I will draw the DFA. Okay, small a, small b, initial state is A. Just take the initial state. See how we are going to draw. Just take the initial state, and that is capital A. So just take it and then start. Now you have to look at this table, not this diagram. Okay, don't watch it here. Just watch in the this state table. That is why we have drawn it, and you have to draw the DFA state transition table from this NFA state transition table. Okay, now I am going to tell you how we are going to do it. See, Initial state is capital A, so we will be starting with capital A itself, making it as a initial state. Now on small a, check it. What is happening? On small a, I am moving to two states, that is on A and on capital B. But in DFA, it is a constraint or it is a condition that you cannot see. In DFA, what used to happen? I am on any state, on seeing any input alphabet, I can move on to only one state. That is why this cannot be happening here, or this cannot, we cannot write like this. So what we will do, we will combine both these state as one state. Got it? So I am combining a b as a comma b as ab, and this is one state. That is why I have written in this type of bracket. Okay, I think you got. See one more time. On a, when I saw in this transition table that on state A, if I found a input symbol as small a, I'm going to two states. See here, on A, small a, I am remaining at capital A, and I am also moving to capital B. I am going to two states. But in DFA we cannot do like this. So what we have done is, what we have to do is, we have to combine both the states. So that is why I have written here is AB. Got it? Fine. Now see, on capital A, we have to see small, on seeing small b, where I am going. So I am on state A. Upon seeing small b, I am going to capital A itself. So that is it. Okay. Now watch it carefully. Now let's check. Now what we will do, see, I have done the small a state, sorry, capital A state. So A is done. Next reachable state from this initial state is AB, not B. Got it? What I want to say is, from A till now, where I can reach is only AB, not B. So the state which is reachable, that will be taken next. Got it? See. So what I have to take AB next. Now I am on AB state. On seeing input as a small a, what we will write here. So this is now we have to do. Now watch it. We will look into the state transition table of NFA. See, I am on state AB on seeing A. See, AB is here, both the rows contain AB, A, B. Input symbol is A. So what we will do, we'll just make the union of both. Got it? Because I am combining the state A and B, it becomes AB. Now on input symbol is small a, I have to write where it reaches. So on small a where A is reaching, on small a where B is reaching, I'll make the union of both of them and then just write here. Got it? So from here, what we can say, AB union 5. I think you got now. So what will come here? It will come as AB here. Okay. So this is the state. Now I am on state AB. On seeing small b, where I will be reaching? Well, look here. I am on AB, small b. So what I have to do? I have to make the union of both these rows. So what it becomes? It becomes as A. Got it? Now check. Any state left? No. All this A, B and A. Two states are there and both are done. So this is the final DFA. So you might think that sir, B is not present here. See, when B is not reachable from capital A or state A, from state A, state B is not reachable. So why we have to show it? Got it? So let's make the DFA. So we have two states A and then AB. Okay. Yeah. Now thing is, what will be the final state? See, earlier B was the final state. So all the states which are containing B will become the final state, and it is here itself. Only AB is containing the B. That is why this will become as the final state also. So on A is the initial state. On small a, I am going to AB. On small b, I'll remain at A. Now for A, I have defined both the input symbols. Now at AB, small a, I'll remain at here. Now for B, I'll move to capital A. So this is the DFA ending with A. Got it? Okay. Now let's see one more example. So this is the NFA to DFA conversion. Let's see one more example. Let's erase it. Next question is same example, means same concept is going on. That is uh, what we are doing, NFA to DFA conversion. Yes. See, all the strings in which second symbol from the RHS is A. So this is the question for which we have to draw the NFA, and then we will convert it into the DFA. So let's draw the NFA. First of all, let's check what all the strings which will lie here. So language containing the strings we can be all the string in which second symbol from the RHS. See, starting can be anything, but second symbol from RHS should be A. After it B can come. Starting can be anything, A, and then after it A can come. Okay, like A B B A B and so on. So this type of string should be accepted. Got it? So let's draw the NFA. At start, whatever comes, I don't care. Okay, now let's suppose this is the second symbol from the RHS. Okay, after it, whatever comes, I don't care, I will accept it. Got it? So this is A, this is B, and this is C. Is it fine? This is the NFA for it. Now just let's see. You can also verify like this. See, at start, whatever comes, I don't care. A plus B whole star, and then A, and then either A or B. Got it? This is the regular expression for it. Now watch it. The state transition table of this NFA. ठीक है? How we will do? Simply. Now here small a, small b. I am on all the states B, then C. A is the initial state, C is the final state. Okay. Now I am on capital A. On seeing small a, what is happening? I'll remain at capital A and I am also moving to capital B. Okay. Now I am on state A. On seeing small b, what happens? I'll remain at capital A. Now watch it. At capital B, I am at capital B. On seeing small a, I am moving towards small capital C state. Now I am on B. On seeing small b, again moving on to the C state. Got it? I am on C state and no transitions are defined here. So this is the state transition table for it. Now let's draw the DFA for it. A, then B. Okay, so what first point is how we will start. We will write all the input symbols on here. Then we will start with initial state, and initial state is capital A. Now on capital A, on seeing small a, where I am going? On A and B. So what we have learned till now, that whenever it occurs that it is moving to more than one state, so in making the DFA, what we will do, we will combine both of them as a single state. Got it? Now I am on capital A. For small b, where I am moving, I am on capital A. On small b, at A I am going. So just write. Now A is done. Now we will the next reachable state is from the initial state is AB. Okay, it is a new state and we have combined this. So AB is the next state that is reachable. So we will take that. Okay. See. Now I am on state AB. On reading or on seeing small a as an input, what we will be the transition. Okay. Now I am on AB. On seeing small a, AB on small a. So what we have to do is we have to union both these, because on A I am going to AB, on B I am going to C. So I will just union both these, because upon seeing small a at A, B, we are moving these states. So what I will do, I will union this and combine. So it becomes A, B, C. Got it? Now I am on state AB. On seeing small b, where I am moving, I am on state AB. On small b, what I'll do, I'll union both this rows, A and C. It becomes AC. Got it? Now check it. AB is done. A is done. Let's take the AC next, because it is also reachable. Okay, you can either take ABC also, no worries. Let's take the AC. Okay. Now I am on state AC. On seeing small a, where I will reach, I am on AC. On small a, I have to union both these, AB and then empty. It becomes AB. Got it? Now I am on AC. On seeing small b, where I will move, I am on AC. On seeing small b, I have to union this, A and empty. Then it becomes A again. A state. Got it? So AC is also done. So next is ABC. Now I am on state ABC. On seeing small a, where I'll reach, I am on state ABC. It means I have to union all these three, for all the three rows. For I mean I have to union this column, A column, all the rows. It becomes ABC. A, B, C. Okay. Now I am on ABC. On seeing small b, where I'll reach, I have to union all this. It becomes AC. Okay. So I think ABC part is also done. ABC state is done. AB is done. A is done. ABC done. AC done. So that's it. This is the complete DFA. Now thing is, what are all the states which are going to be the final states? Now look at it. Earlier C was the final state. So all the states that contain the C will become as the final state. So this AC is the one which is containing C and ABC is the one which is containing C. So these two becomes the final state. So now let's draw the equivalent DFA. Let's make the DFA. So how we will make A, AB, ABC, C. Space is not there, so I just write here AC, AC. Okay, not C. On A, I am going to AB. Okay, okay. Now I am on A. On seeing small b, I'll remain at capital A. A is done. Now at AB. This is the initial state. On A, I am moving towards ABC. Okay. Now at AB, I am state AB. On seeing input as B, I'll move to state AC. On seeing input B, I'll move to state AC. Now I am at AC. On seeing input at small a, I'll move to AB. That is small a. Okay. Now I am at AC. On seeing input small b, I'll move to this capital A. Now I am at ABC. On seeing small a, I'll remain at ABC. On seeing small b, I'll move to AC. So this is the DFA for it. Okay. I think you got the idea of the NFA to DFA conversion. And now hence we can say that NFA is equivalent to DFA in power. Got it? Okay, thank you all.